Download Mandalayan Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.
There are quite a few compound and nasal finals that begin with I or the E sound. Let's begin by learning the first 5 compound finals. Ya, yao, yang, ye, and yan. For the first compound final, ya, start by sounding the E final and then transit into the R final sound. Ya, ya. Remember that compound finals should be pronounced quickly and seamlessly as one syllable and not as 2 syllables. So when said together quickly, the compound final should be pronounced as ya, ya. It is similar to the ya when saying sia. The next final is yao. Yao is a combination of the simple final e and the compound final ao, yao, yao. It also sounds similar to the meow sound in the word meow, yao, yao. The next final is a nasal final, yang. Yang is a combination of the simple final e and the compound final ang, yang, yang. Next is ye. Ye sounds similar to the ye sound in the word yes. Ye, ye. And finally, we have yan. Yan is a unique compound final that does not follow the typical pinyin pronunciation rules. While the I vowel is pronounced as e and an is pronounced as an, this compound final is not pronounced as yan. Instead, it should be pronounced as yen. It sounds like the word for Japanese currency, yen. Yen, yen. Now, let's take a look at some examples of pinyin with these compound finals. The word for home or family in Mandarin is this character, jia. Its pinyin is spelled ji, ya, jia, and it should be pronounced in the first tone, jia, jia. This is the character for bird, and it is pronounced as niao. The pinyin niao consists of the initial ne and the compound final yao, ne yao, niao. It should be read in the third tone, niao, niao. Next, this is the character xiang, and it means elephant. It is made up of the initial xi and the nasal final yang, xi yang, xiang. It should be pronounced in the fourth tone, xiang, xiang. The character jie means older sister. Its pinyin is spelled jiye, jie. It should be read in the third tone, jie, jie. And finally, this is a character for sky or day, tian. Its pinyin is made up of the initial te and the final yan, te, yan, tian. This character is read in the first tone, tian, tian.
Download Mandalayan Chinese. Use our code to unlock free courses and get 100 points in the app.